Hey, what is up guys? My name is FunProp and today I'm going to show you how to make a video just you watched right now. How to means freeze any object you want by using kinemaster. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, you open your kinemaster and there you have to go your empty project, then you go for media and you have to first record a video like this. I'm going to show you how it is. Means first of all, you go over here. Here is the full video. I'm going to show you once, and there must not be any sound. So first of all, this is the video. You go there, stand at the place, at the particular place your whole body should be shown, or if you don't want, you can just throw any object and then just act like it's floating and then give it something like that. It came down like the down. So after that you can adjust it. So we should first cut the useless part. Remember that kinemaster only use 720p resolution videos, or if your video is not 720p, your video would not be available. So that's main thing. So first of all, you have to just go to that part, let the video go as it wants, and go to that part where you want this to be freeze. As I saw here at upside, as my eyesight is at the upper part, so I need to freeze this somewhere high. So this is okay, that fits right nicely. Then you just click on the video, then click on this button over here, then you have to just give this capture and frame and add as layer. Just you have to go for the layer and you're done. So next you have to just click on this. After this you have to click on this one over there and then just click on the side window left side, and then you're very much done. But in my video, in my case, my paint box actually came apart, so I need to adjust that, and I give this much of height, and this doesn't show anything actually, as long as I know. There must not be anything that. So now if you see this thing, I came over here, just doing like that, just throw it and it's freeze at that point as you want. But as you know, the sound will affect the video, so you have to first click on that, go to the volume, both down, so you have no sound over here now, as you saw in the first video. So now to extend it at this part, so you have to extend it up to that part where you will attach another part of the video. So at this part you have to first click on this 13.6 here written on orange color. Just click that, it will turn into violet, and you will know that it's a point, and that point you have to add the full thing. So after that you go here, adjust, you over here till this, and then you have to just add your video over here. Just click on layer, tap on media, get that same video you used, and just go for go for that part you used earlier. So just cut like that. So I need to first see before it happens. First of all, let me see. That's the point. so that is 307. So after 307, I'll just cut it from the left part, go for the left like so, just add it over here, and we'll just adjust that. Does this match? And that's, you're purely done. After that, in this one, increase your volume so that you can hear that the box is really fallen. So you will get something like, and if you want you can add something more, some music, go there, correct, so it matches a bit, and you need to go a little bit to adjust the whole thing, and you're done, most probably done, and that's perfect. You can add any music over here. So as you watched my previous video, I just uploaded this video only, and now I just showed you how to do that. It's very simple. Use kinemaster and you're done. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any feedback you want, any mistake I've done, anything wrong about me, anything, just tell me in the comments. I'll try my best, my level best, to improve it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for 100 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and thanks. Bye bye. See you in the next video.